Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate and install two WhatsApp application on your Google Pixel 7a. So I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. If you need the second WhatsApp with the separated contacts, numbers, message of course, go to the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app, slide down and look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one. And now by this quick way, we have two WhatsApp applications on one phone. But if you need the second or the second method or the third app, go to the search bar again and choose dual space. Choose one of them. I'm previously installed that one, so we can open it, decide that we want to get notification, and tap on the agree and continue. Now add the permissions and tap on the WhatsApp icon, and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.